All these years in Los Angeles, and I don't remember seeing a bud of the bird of paradise flower. This morning, as I walked in the quiet hour, I saw this crimson necked, tight envelope holding within it orange petals slightly revealing themselves through the opening that blooms into this bird. It is quite an experience to see the early youth of any flower, how it has signs of both glory and decay. I wonder what is flowering in me now. What is the future of this skin and seed? I wonder what of the past is my fragrance today. And then this is her, in her full bloom, an unexpected royal blue beak and blue back of the crown not revealed in her buds. But the signs in early days with her tiger orange streaks, now a floral abundance. There are farms of these beauties all around. Sometimes I hear them sing, all ready to fly.